Hello everyone, I'll show you how to convert temperature from Celsius to Fahrenheit. I'll be using Visual Studio. So at first I'll show you the easiest way. So in the first step, you take the user input for the Celsius. So we write Celsius equal a data type, which is float here, so that we can use numbers with decimal points. So to take input, we write input, and in the first bracket, we write the statement which will be executed while taking the input. So I wrote the degree in Celsius. Then we write the Fahrenheit formula and store it in Fahrenheit variable. So Fahrenheit equal Celsius, then times 5 by 9, then plus 32. Then we print our final statement. So to call the variable, I write f string. So between f string, we can use any variables we want, and also our print statements. So in curly brackets, we write our variable. Like here, I wrote Celsius, which is going to call the Celsius input from the user. Then degree in Celsius is the converted Fahrenheit value. So I wrote the variable of the formula, which is Fahrenheit, between curly brackets. Then I wrote degree in Fahrenheit. So let's run this. So you can see here that the degree in Celsius is asking for an input. Then I wrote 20, which is 43.1 degree in Fahrenheit. Then again, if I run this, so if I give a different value for Celsius, for example, I wrote 40, it's 54 degree Fahrenheit. So now I'll show you the formal way to convert temperature from Celsius to Fahrenheit. So at first, I'll create a function to store the formula. So a function to carry the formula. So the def means define the function name, which is C underscore 2 underscore F. That means Celsius to Fahrenheit. Then I'll write my parameter, which is Celsius. You can write anything there, and our Fahrenheit equal, as we already know, Celsius times 5 by 9, then plus 32. Then we will return the Fahrenheit value. So now we take the Celsius input from the user. We write Celsius underscore in equal a data type float and input, and in brackets we write the statement we want in the output while asking for an input. So the temperature in Celsius. So here now I have to assign a Celsius input value with the function I created. So to assign this, I'll create a Fahrenheit variable. So equal C_2_F. Now I'll assign Celsius input variable inside the function parameter. So this will connect the input, Celsius input, with the function. So now finally I can print the whole statement. So again I call fstring so that I can include my variables here. So at first I write the Celsius input variable here, then the statement degree in Celsius, is, so I write the second variable, which is Fahrenheit here. So our input value, Celsius input, degree in Celsius, is Fahrenheit value, degree in Fahrenheit. So if we run this, so now the temperature in Celsius, we write 20, then we get 43.1 degree Fahrenheit, which is similar to the previous one. Now if we set a different value, so now temperature in Celsius is, for example, 40, which gives us 54.2 in Fahrenheit.